Hi, in this video, we're going to learn how to graph linear inequalities. So how do you do that? Well, you're going to start by making sure the y is on the left side of the inequality, all by itself. Then you are going to graph it like you would any other equation. However, because it's an inequality, you're going to use a solid line if and only if it's greater than or equal or less than or equal. Otherwise, you're going to use a dashed line. So anytime you see greater than or less than in the inequality. Then you're going to shade on one side of the line. So if it is greater than or equal, you'll shade above. And if it's less than or equal, you'll shade below. Let's put that into practice. What if I gave you y is greater than or equal to 1/2 x plus 2? Well, I'd start by plotting the y-intercept 0, 2. Then I would use the slope. Since the slope is 1/2, I'm going to count up 1 and right 2 to plot another point. And I really like having 3 points, so I'm going to count up 1 and right 2 again. Then I look at my inequality symbol. It's greater than or equal to. So I'm going to use a solid line to connect my dots. That means that it will look like this. Now, I'm not quite done though, because I still need to shade. Because it's greater than or equal to, I'm going to shade above the line, and it will look like this. And that is graphing that inequality. What if I gave you another example though? What if I said y is less than negative 3x plus 4? Well, we're going to use the same strategy. We're going to start by plotting the point 0, 4 for the y-intercept. Then we're going to look at our slope. The slope is negative 3. That means we're going to count down 3 and right 1 to plot another point. Then we go down 3 and right 1 again. Now, because this is y is less than, I'm going to use a dash line to connect my points. And it looks like this. And also because it's less than, I'm going to shade below my line. And that gives us this final graph for y is less than negative 3x plus 4. And that is how you graph linear inequalities.